In NX 1899, PCB Exchange has been migrated to NX Core Code, and that brings several benefits. Journaling is now supported for all commands within the application, enabling the recording of repetitive tasks for a greater level of automation. The PC Design Navigator has moved from being a separate dialog-based to a fully integrated navigator in the resource bar alongside the other navigators. This also provides a better interaction with the ability to make selection and highlighting either from the navigator or from the graphics area for the board, components, areas and holes. This provides a new level of interaction requested by users. Now let's look at the Expedition specific version. We see a slightly different presentation and, more importantly, terminology that is consistent with the Expedition user interface, such as room, obstruct, and so on, as opposed to keep in and keep out as with a generic application. This version has a new group for the Mentor Valor interface, where we can import ODB++ files and see the full manufacturing panel represented inside NX for downstream usage, such as checking for fit and function, documentation, and other requirements. To demonstrate this, I have loaded the PCB design that has previously been exported to Valor and will now import the panel data that will use the existing design and integrate it within the panel. The result shows the panel has been created with the PCB repeated as defined and all manufacturing objects added, such as breakouts, thieving and fiducials. Thieving is the creation of dummy pads to provide a uniform distribution of copper to prevent excessive build-up in isolated areas, and fiducials are the datum marks for alignment during manufacture. On to nested cells now. I will read in an IDX file from Expedition and you can see a component with its associated heatsink. This has been recognized as a subassembly by NX and can then be moved, keeping the associativity and intended design intent. And finally, groups. Again, Expedition has the capability to move components together that form a predefined arrangement that is important to the electronic design. Once created in NX, we can see the assembly bond constraints are used to group these together, and when moved, honor the grouping defined.